What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. In today's video, got some deals from Smith's, also known as Kroger's, and I will be posting. Well, I'll be putting it right here, which is a listing of their sister stores, so you can see if you have this store or one of their sister stores in your local area, so y'all can get some of these great deals. This week, y'all, Smith's is on fire. I got some stuff for Family Dollar today, which is the buy one get one free on the Tony's Pizza. But y'all, it was not scanning for me. Every pizza rung up regular price, so I had to get a refund and go back up to the store when the manager gets there to get everything straightened out. So, with that being said, y'all, I got a lot going on. Right now, I've been busy trying to push out these budget planners for whoever wants them, and they will be affordable. But I'm making some budget planners where you'll have a money challenge on there, like a money savings challenge, where you can write your weekly couponing deals down in it. It's gonna be like fun, and I'm gonna be using it as well. So I'm gonna let y'all know more about that, how y'all can purchase if you want to purchase, price, all of that here to come. But y'all, I've been busy with that. That's why I haven't been making no videos. I have been posting short form content like YouTube shorts, Facebook reels, TikToks, whatever the case may be. I have been trying to stay consistent with that, but as far as the long form content, I haven't been posting, y'all, because I've been having my hands on so many like opportunities to make extra money. It's ridiculous. We not gonna get into all of them. Just know that I'm got these budget planners coming out, and y'all will be the first to know, so y'all can get first dibs before anybody else. And I will be throwing in a free item because y'all know I always like to look out for whoever looks out for me. But yeah, y'all, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. So with that being said, let's get into these deals. Okay, y'all, first off, I had picked up some of these items. We gonna start off with the Downy. It was $3.74. No coupons needed. And these was not even marked in the store, y'all. So you know I picked up what I wanted to pick up. But they was not marked. I just picked up an item, scanned it, popped up in the app that price or whatever, took them up to the register. They was still ringing up the price for the gain scent beads. They are the 4.3 ounce, $2.74. Downy Come, $2.74. And the Downy Rinse, which is 25.5, $3.99. And the one that's littler than that is on sale as well. I think for like $2.74, something like that. But yeah, y'all, these are at Smith's, Kroger's, or whatever the case may be. 50% off on beads. And beads, y'all, is one of those things that you need or want, but they are so expensive that you just don't even get them, or just put them on the back burner hoping they have a good coupon or something. That's what I do with these anyway. So if you see me with some scent beads, it's a catch to it. But and they do smell good, in your sheets, blankets, whatever the case may be. Smells real good. But let's get on to the next deal I did at Smith's, are also known as Kroger's. Okay, y'all, here is another transaction I did. Okay, y'all, the detergent, I went with the 67 loads, not those little smaller ones. But these were $5.99, buy one get one free, and we have $2 coming off. So y'all, it's making just one of these $3.99 or $1.99 for both of these. You cannot beat that at all. Then on the beach, y'all, they were $5.79. Buy one get one free. $2 came off on one of those. So both of these was $3.79 or $1.89 each. And they are kinda big, y'all. They the 24-ounce ones, not the small ones. And then lastly, I had picked up two of the dryer sheets because you can't have beads detergent without the dryer sheet. So I picked up two of those. They didn't have a coupon, but they were $5.79. Buy one get one free, making each one $2.89 each. And the ones that they be having at the Family Dollar are like $4. So $2.89 for these, cannot beat that at all. Total for all of these items $13.57, making each item $2.26 each. Yes, y'all, for 6 things of laundry products. So that's what I'm saying. Y'all need to check Smith's out. Kroger, Smith, Ferris Bueller, whatever, Gerber's, whatever store you have in that area, I will be scoping it out, getting these deals. Now let's get on to the next deal. Okay, y'all. I made a mistake on this transaction. I'm so upset, y'all. On the plug, it is $4.49. We have $3.50 coming off, making it 99 cents. Y'all, I did not even have that coupon clipped. I'm so upset. So I'm just gonna tell y'all the total what it'll be if you have get this plug with these other items. Then we have the Dove body scrub. It is on sale for $7.99. We have $2 coupons attaching. So that's $4 coming off, making this just $3.99, y'all. Then on the Degree deodorant, we have a coupon making it $3.99. You can get the women's, men's, mix match, whatever, and it's even on the Degree sprays where they are $3.99, and we have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon in the app, making these what $3.98 or $1.99 each. So the total for these items would have been $8.96, making each item $2.24. But mine was a little higher, y'all, because I didn't have the Febreze plug coupon clip. So what I always tell y'all, I should have been doing, double check your items before you go to checkout and make sure all your coupons are clipped. Because sometimes you think you be clipping them and it might not clip all the way, and bam, there you go, not getting your coupon and paying for something that you really don't want to pay for in the first place, higher than what it's supposed to be. So double, triple check your coupons in the app. Now, let me see. Do I have? Oh, I have one more deal to show y'all, and then we will be moving on. Okay, y'all. Here are some other items that I got as well. Starting off with the Tom's toothpaste, y'all. It is $6.49 each. We have was its totals $12.98. We have a $6 coupon coming off, making these $6.98 or $3.49 each. Then on these particular Colgates, you got the mint, zinc, baking soda, and it's another one that has cavity protection on it. those, and then select toothbrushes. Colgate ones, it's a coupon that you clip where you can get these for 99 cents, and you can use that coupon up to 5 times in a single transaction. So I picked up 4 of these, and they were 99 cents each. Then on the Crest mouthwash, y'all, it is on sale for $4.99. We have $1 coming off, making it 3, and it's either on the Crest, or you can get Scope, or you can get both of those, cause the Scope is the same price, $4.99, with that dollar off, making them $3.99. And that's another thing. Mouthwash is so expensive, y'all. But with the coupon coming off, it does a little justice. Moving on to the Dove men's body wash, I got 2 of those. They were $8.79 each, totaling $17.58. We have a 5 off for 2 digital coming off, making both of them $12.58 or $6.29 each. I just didn't put it up there. Then on the big razors, they are on sale $5.49. We have $2 coming off, making them $3.49. Then on the Dawn Power Washes, y'all, they are $4.99 on sale. We have $2 coming off, making these just $2.99. And that coupon you can use up to 5 times in a single transaction as well. So these are the last little items that I got from Walgreens. And I mean, not Walgreens. So I'm looking at the bag from, no, I got one more deal to show y'all. So hold on, y'all. It's not the last deal. Hold on, one more deal. Okay, y'all, here is the last deal for sure, for sure. My daughter heard me. She's like, you gonna get fired. Because I was talking about Walgreens, last deal, all of that. But last deal for real, y'all. Viva towel paper, 6 = 9. It is $7.99 on sale. We have $2 coming off, making it just $5.99. Not bad for 6 rows of Viva paper towel. Plus, the cloth one of those is my favorite towel paper. Then I would say it's Bounty, then Brawny. 3 top tier towel papers that are my favorites. What is y'all favorite towel paper? Comment down below. I'm interested to find out. Okay, then we have the 12 = 36 Scott toilet paper. It is $6.99. We have $2 coming off of that, making 12 rows just $4.99. So those are the two the last deal that I did at Smith's. Like I said, here are the sister stores for y'all to be on the lookout for if y'all don't have Smith or Kroger's in your local area. Be on the lookout for these stores. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and some new deals this week to do at the store. And with that being said, I will see y'all in the next video. And be on the lookout for those budget planners that I have in store for y'all. I can't wait till they are finished and, ready to go. And they are going to be basically where you can do them on the computer, on your iPad, or you can also print them out and physically write on them yourself as well. So be on the lookout for those, and comment down below and let me know if y'all would be up to purchasing something like that. I want to know. I want to get other opinions besides, I need to get all the opinions I can, because this is something important to me and I want to see it through. But I will see y'all in the next video. I'm out, y'all. Peace.